guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today, honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing for makeup. Like, I think I'm gonna use this palette for today. This is the Festival Profusion palette, and it has all these colors. So we're gonna see what I end up doing. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, so yeah, we'll see what I'm feeling after my eyebrows, I guess. Okay, to start this look, I'm going to be using the ColourPop pomade. And this pomade, like, I've tried to use different ones. Like, I used the Milani one, and I tried to use different ones before, but they never work because I never get the right color, I guess. So I'm going to go to the store, get a new pomade, because, like, this one is so freaking old. Like, I've had this for, like, maybe 2 years. I need to get a new one. Basically, this video is going to be, like, a sit down. I don't know, because, like, I'm sitting down. I try to do something like new, like different positions, you know, but hopefully you guys like this one. I didn't use primer. When I do my eyebrows, I usually like to put primer like in the areas I'm putting the concealer and stuff on my face before I put primer all over my face. Oh, but what I'm using is this this glow face it's not even face oil, it's face serum. I learned the difference between face serums and face oils because I got this at Marshall's and I bought one and it was a face oil that was literally oil and I didn't like it. I was gonna return it, but I never return stuff. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. putty primer. I don't know if these lights are too bright because it's making my eyebrows look a little too light. I don't know. So right now I'm trying to think of like what kind of look I'm gonna be going for, or like not what kind of look, what color I'm gonna be using when I do my eyeshadow, because basically this is like a eyeshadow freestyle, I guess you could say, because I don't know what I want to do. I'm thinking like a blue look, like a blue, because I don't know, like blue's my favorite color. Oh, my eyebrows are looking messy. Like before concealer, they look like this, like crazy. So honestly, like, I don't want my videos to be repetitive, like with me doing my makeup and everything. So I don't really want to show my whole process of makeup, like my eyebrows and foundation and stuff, unless you guys want that. But like for this video, I think I'm just gonna be doing like my freestyle eyeshadow, so I might honestly skip over the products that I use and just like focus more on the eyeshadow. Okay, so I just finished with my eyebrows, and let me tell you, it's gonna be a good day. It's a good eyebrow day. Like, you could already tell that it's gonna be a good day. So hopefully the rest of this look comes out good too. So to prime my eyes, I'm gonna be using this NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer, and I'm just gonna blend it in with a brush. Oh shit, it's like really sticky, so my eyelids are like, they're like sticking closed. You gotta like wait a few seconds for it to like dry a little bit, I guess. Okay, so they're still kind of sticky, so I'm just gonna be using the e.l.f. concealer, and I'm just gonna blend that into my eyes. Okay, so because I said blue, and this is the only palette that I grabbed to sit down and I don't want to get up again, I'm gonna use this blue. I have more blue eyeshadows, but since this is the palette that I grabbed, I'm gonna be using this one. I look for a brush. Honestly, I have this whole set of brushes, and I can never find the right one I want. This one's good. It's cause like I need like a fluffy brush to like use the to place I just stuttered, to place like the main color down. I don't think I've used this blue before. It's really pretty though. This looks really nice actually. Like this blue, like the camera's not really doing like the camera's not really showing the real color, but this looks good, dude. So like applying the eyeshadow takes a while just because I want it to like not look like patchy, like some spots darker than the other, you know what I mean? And I want it to be all blended out. So you just gotta be patient. Like if you want your makeup and your especially your eyeshadow to look good, like you gotta take your time, because like there's sometimes where like I want to go to work with eyeshadow and I'll have like maybe like an hour, maybe an hour and a half to do my makeup or like to get ready, you know. But I just don't want to rush having to do eyeshadow, so I just don't risk it because I don't want to start my face and everything and start my eyeshadow and then like me end up having like 20 minutes left to get ready and I'm still not done with my makeup, just because like because the eyeshadow takes so long to do, you know, and it just adds more time to your process, like your makeup process. Because like if I were to do like my basic makeup with like that could take like an hour, but like eyeshadow and stuff, they may to the max it'll take like 3 to 4 hours, and that's also if I'm like doing like kind of a big look, I guess you could say. I think I kind of want to use like orange for this look, or purple. I could use orange and purple. You guys are probably thinking like don't use orange, but I don't know, dude. Like I don't know what I want to use. Like what I like to use like bright colors, but this gold is really pretty. It's just because like usually when I do like when I try to mix colors together on my own, I always end up messing up the look because like the colors don't go together. I think I'm gonna be doing a halo eye, I guess, just so like I can keep this blue. I know I've been blending and I keep adding more blue, but like I want this blue to like actually show up because now I know what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna add the concealer to the middle of my eyelid. In conclusion, I'm gonna be using gold for my look. Like, oh, I think this is the move. This looks this is already looking really good. This is like a I think I'm gonna fix the camera like so that you guys could see this, like the color of these eyeshadows. Okay, so I think I fixed the camera and I think now it's like a little better on color. And I already finished this eye because while I was setting up the camera, I finished the eye because I didn't want it to like be sitting there too long. So like this is how it looks. My halo eye is not like perfect and it's not that good either. And then I grabbed this like more precise brush and I'm just gonna blend the edges. And I kind of want to do it before the concealer dries because I'm gonna be going in with this gold color and I want the gold color to stick onto the concealer. So I don't know if I want to do like a wing. I think I'm gonna do a wing. And honestly, what I do for my eyeliner, so this is the NYX eyeliner, but because it's summer, my eyelids like to sweat. Like my eyelids sweat, so my eyeliner always smears when I use that. But that's like my favorite eyeliner. I think it might just be because of this brush. So I'm gonna be dipping it into the Milani matte eyeliner, and I'm just gonna be using this because this is waterproof and the next one isn't. So yeah, but I think I just need to find another eyeliner. Like this one I started liking, but like the applicator for it like sucks. Like it sucks. It's not even precise at all. That wing is long. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Okay, so what I was gonna tell you guys was, like, you know those brush cleaners that like it goes like this, like it spins it in the bowl. So I got one of those, and that works. Like your brush, like this thick ass brush that has foundation in it, I was cleaned and it was dried in like 30 seconds. Like I was so amazed with it. It was so freaking cool, and I'm so glad I got it. It's because like I wash my brushes, but it takes me a long time to do it because honestly when I wash them in the sink and stuff and scrub them, it takes like overnight plus more time to dry them. So it takes a long time for them to dry, and it takes me a long time to get through all of these freaking brushes. And that thing like changed my life, especially because like the other day I did somebody's makeup and I had my and I cleaned my brushes the night before, and they were ready. Like they were ready for her. Like that thing is so freaking cool. And I thought I always seen it on like Instagram and stuff, like those videos, and I was like, I knew it was like kind of real, but I didn't know for sure. And honestly, because of that, like I might have to do more makeup, like more eyeshadow looks, because like I don't have to worry about using all my brushes, you know, because usually I tend to like be stingy and like not use so many brushes on one makeup look. Honestly, I don't even be using brushes for my makeup, like my face, but that's all I have right now because I don't have my beauty blender and it's not wet, so I'm just using these brushes, and I think it's faster to use brushes, so I'm gonna try this out. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing some contour today. I'm doing like a whole ass face. I hope I don't end up walking out like a clown, because I'm really trusting the lashes to pull this look together. Honestly, I watch a few videos, Instagram videos with people doing their makeup with brushes, and now I think I could do it. Honestly, before I move on to the powder and everything, I'm gonna put on the lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my lashes on, and like they're big as fuck, but like now it helps with the long wing. Okay, so this is the end of this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, but if you liked it, then don't forget to be subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.